Imagine asking an AI a simple question, only to receive a confident, completely fabricated answer. This bizarre phenomenon is known as an AI hallucination. It sounds like truth, but it is nothing more than a digital ghost. Why does this happen? These models do not actually know facts the way humans do. Instead, they are sophisticated engines predicting the most likely next word in a sequence. When the underlying math gets fuzzy, the system chooses to invent plausible-sounding fiction with total, unwavering confidence. So, how do you stop the lies? First, always cross-check critical data with trusted external sources. Never take a first draft as gospel. Second, provide your own reference text directly in the prompt to keep the AI grounded in reality. Third, explicitly tell the model to say, "I do not know," instead of guessing.
These guardrails transform a risky tool into a reliable asset. AI is a brilliant brainstorming partner, but you must verify every detail before trusting the output. What is the funniest AI mistake you have ever seen? Drop your wildest story in the comments below and let us discuss.